How to use CapCut effects or how to use effects on CapCut. Well, using CapCut effects is pretty simple and pretty easy. All you gotta do is proceed to open up CapCut first and head over and proceed to open up new project or select an existing one. Once you have the project opened up, now you'll get various options. Simply by tapping on the video, you'll get effects option down below. You'll also get animations. Now if you want animations, you can select animations and you can add in animations, that is the video opening animations and such, right? Once you have it, you can also find effects option here. You can see video effects, body effects, style, and AI effects. You have 4 different options. Now, video effects. Video effects is like the effects that you get on videos, such as this fire one here. So if I add it, there is this cool fire here. So you can also choose the timeline. Where do you want the effect? So if you want effect from this particular moment, you want to choose it here, and then you want to select effects. And now you can proceed to add in the effect here. Now this is just taking me to the starting point here, but head towards this way. Now you can also split the video if you want to add it from there. So you can select here effects. Now if you want body effects, you can also select body effects. From here you can add in body effects. Now if it does not recognize the body, however, you won't be able to use it. So make sure your body is visible on the video that you are editing. And the next step is style. Here you can see style option. You'll get various style options here. Allow the necessary permissions and you'll get velocity, trending, AI painting and such you can use from it. There's the video style and also AI effects. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.